In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Chase Bank online account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enroll, secure your profile, and start managing your money from your computer or phone. Keep your identification nearby and make sure you can receive texts or emails on the device you're using. Start by going to the official Chase website. Type the address directly into your browser or search for the official site. Then check you're on the correct domain and that the padlock icon appears in the address bar. Avoid clicking ads or third-party links. On the home page, look for the option to sign up or enroll in online banking. Next, choose the account type that fits your situation. Most people use personal banking, but there's also business banking. If you're opening a new checking or savings account, pick the product you want and review the features and any fees. If you already have a Chase account or card and just need online access, choose the enrollment option for existing customers so your new login ties to your current accounts. Now enter your information. You'll be asked for your full legal name, date of birth, address, and contact details. If you already have an account, you may be asked for your card or account number. You'll also be prompted for a tax identification number, which banks use to verify identity. Make sure everything matches your government ID, use an email you check often, and enter a mobile number that can receive texts. Double check for typos before continuing. You'll then verify your identity. This could include a one-time code, sent by text or email, security questions, or a quick check using details from your account. Some users may be asked to scan or upload a photo of an ID. Complete this step on a private, trusted device and never share your one-time codes with anyone. After that, set up your online access. Create a unique username and a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Turn on two-step verification for an extra layer of security. You may be prompted to accept disclosures, choose paperless statements, and enable alerts for things like transactions or low balances. These settings help you stay informed. Finally, log in anytime, use the website, or download the official mobile app from your device's app store. Consider enabling biometrics on your phone for quick, secure access, and always sign out when you're done, especially on shared devices. If something doesn't look right, stop and revisit the official site. That's it. Your Chase Online account is ready to go.